Guys, if you want to do more watermark from the Pictory AI video, just follow this video. But before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So don't forget to type in 8 hours that video watermark remover. Click on the first link, and this will going to do 8 hours of video watermark remover. The official website. Click on this to remove watermark from video. Or you can just over to download and install the selected keywords here. Click on yes. Click on install now. You can change the language to English. Click on install now. So this will install the watermark video tool. So after this selection is successful, just click on remove watermark from the video after the app is installed. Click this to select the video, open the video, and you have a tool here. Just select with this tool the Pictory AI watermark on the top left. Usually it's located on the top left, and click on convert. And this will remove the watermark from Pictory AI video. That is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to subscribe.